Hello students, this is Usha, your computer teacher. Today we are going to learn about computer security, that is cyber safety. This is chapter 2 in your book. Previous session we covered the topic what is a computer virus, who creates viruses, types of computer viruses and how to prevent a virus. In this part we are going to cover these topics: firewall and its uses, computer ethics and cybercrime, hackers and crackers, and cyber law. First, we are going to discuss about firewall and its uses. A firewall is a network security system. It controls the incoming or outgoing network traffic based on an applied rule set. A firewall establishes a barrier between a trusted secure internal network and another network. It acts as a barrier. Firewalls exist both as a software solution and as a hardware appliances. Both we use firewalls. Many personal computer operating systems include software-based firewalls to protect against threats from the public internet. Next, many firewalls can perform basic routing functions. Then, firewalls are frequently used to prevent unauthorized internet users from accessing private networks connected to the internet. That is a main use of firewalls. Next, computer ethics. What is computer ethics? Computer ethics is a set of moral principles that regulate the use of computers. Copyrighted electronic material, privacy concerns, and how computer affects society. It is easy to duplicate or copyrighted electronic content, but computer ethics suggests not to without its owner or author's authorization. We should get permission from the author, then we can use the electronic content. Without author's permission, we should not copyright it. The ethics also help maintain a set of guidelines for communication and interaction between individual through the internet. We have set of guidelines. Then cybercrime. Cybercrime is a criminal activity done using computers and the internet. Using computer and internet that happens. No, that is cybercrime. Cybercrime has been done by on a person or a group of individual. One of the most prominent from a cybercrime is identity theft, where the internet is used to steal a person's personal information. Steal a person's personal information, that is identity theft. Cybercrime includes downloading illegal music files or steal millions of dollars from online bank accounts. That is few cybercrimes. Hackers. Hackers, any skilled computer experts that uses their technical knowledge to overcome a problem. They are hackers. Hackers, they use their knowledge to overcome a problem. Technical knowledge to overcome a problem. Does not damage data intentionally. You should know the difference between hacker and crackers. Hackers does not damage data intentionally. The objective of a hacker is to use his technical knowledge to solve a problem. Hackers use their technical knowledge to overcome a problem. Crackers. Person who breaks into someone else's computer or a network illegally. They damages data intentionally. Crackers damages data intentionally. Hackers not. The objective of a cracker is to intentionally break computer security. They break their computer security and damage the data intentionally. They are crackers. Then cipher law. Cipher law is a term used to describe the legal issues related to use of communication technology, particularly cipher space. What is that? Is internet. Cipher space, that is internet. Cipher law is important because it touches almost all aspects of transaction and activities on and concerning the internet. Every action and every reaction in cyberspace has some legal and cyber legal perspectives. Every action and every reaction in cyberspace in internet has some legal and cyber legal perspectives. That is cipher law. I hope all are understand the session well. Thank you. Have a nice day.